Ready to ride the meme wave and snag some Pepe coin? First, head to Coinbase.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Verification is key, so make sure to follow their steps to confirm your identity. This usually involves submitting a photo ID and providing some personal information. It's all about security, folks. Next up, funding your account. Click that Add Funds button and choose your preferred payment method. Coinbase accepts bank transfers, debit cards, and even PayPal in some regions. Now for the fun part, searching for Pepe coin. Type Pepe in the search bar. Remember, Pepe coin is relatively new, so make sure you are trading the official Pepe coin and not a similar token. Pay close attention to the trading pair available. It's usually Pepe paired with USD here. You'll also see the price chart. Time to buy. You have two options: market orders for instant gratification or limit orders to set your desired price. Market orders execute immediately at the current price, while limit orders only fill when Pepe hits your price target. A word of caution: Pepe coin is known for its wild swings. Be prepared for potential slippage, which means the price can change between when you place your order and when it executes. Security first. Enable two-factor authentication in your Coinbase settings. This adds an extra layer of protection. Consider transferring your Pepe to a secure wallet, especially if you plan on holding it for the long term. Hardware wallets provide the best security. Meme coins come with inherent risks, so please invest responsibly. And that's how you buy Pepe coin on Coinbase. Now go forth and may your Pepe investments bring you joy.